Uh-oh.
Welcome you back to the swamp. I don't guess the surprise, Gary, the domination so far by Florida.
No, remember we asked Vicki Andrews, I said, if I could give you one thing to stop this Florida offense, what would you take? He said, a good quarterback on my team. You've got to be able to score against this Florida team. You just can't stand there and play defense the whole day. They're too good. And I think that's the truth. They need drives. They need first downs.
Hey, not the wiener. Not the wiener.
Little run with less than 45 seconds to go last week pulled them to win over Maryland. And
well, he's another one of those young, outstanding freshman players. And Jimbo Fisher said he's going to be a great one. He is very, very good at receiving the football.
Poor Jake.
Play again. It's Pryor for the second down, number 24, and he's gotten FSU on the first down. Well, I think we should mention right away, after Christian Ponder, right, who was having an all-ACC year when he was injured 3 games.
I was watching a televised game of Florida State earlier in the year, and one of the guys in the open said, as Christian Ponder goes, so goes FSU. He's having a great season. Hopefully he'll be back.
AJ.
It's okay.
No.
It's okay. I wouldn't let anybody pick on me like that either. He does that to Bailey a lot too. Bailey gets too close. What's kind of into Ernie all of a sudden?
I don't know.
Calm down there, Butch.
Shot block. No single guy in offense. 15-yard penalty for the previous spot. This is first out. Right card. David Spurlock came down and did the chop block. It's a quick pass, and your linemen are trained to chop on the play, but you can't post a player up. Right on the nose tackle. Watch it right there. Set up by the center and take it on by the right guard.
Yeah, that's pretty obvious.
Yep.
Yep.
You know, when you talk to Florida State, especially Jimbo, and the strategy of the games, if you have to just slow it down, run the ball, I said, yeah, but Florida's going to have to help you turning it over like they do in most football games.
On first down. Under center, Manuel quarterback. Takes off. He is elusive. Wonderful play. Yes, indeed. They got a bunch back. It's going to be a need of about 11.
Well, you can see the type of football player he can be and will grow into being. Probably going to be another year.
Get up here to hide from him.
But he has a bright future, very athletic. Just has to be ready to play at this level.
Second down, 11. Manuel very elusive in the backfield.
He thought you were him.
Third start.
Snap it, Kevin.
Right tackle. This is Thomas. Got played by Black. And as we go back to New York, here's Tim Brennan. All right, Brennan Gary. Well, TCU rolled, had 2 pick sixes. This one from Rafael Priest off the arm of Donovan Borderie.
TCU's killing New Mexico. 51-10.
Texas loses to Nebraska. Or since there's one group from Texas that will be rooting for the Huskers in the Big 12 title game, bro. Davey O'Brien. And of course, the Davey O'Brien Award coming up, the outstanding quarterback. Tebow, one of the finalists, along with Colt McCoy and Case Keenum.
Oh, that's pass interference. Get up.
Get up. That time, and Ahmad Black, the safety, was in decent coverage. But you'll see all these Florida players.
Get up. Get up. Go.
As you look at the protection, good job. Time to throw. Ball in the air. Aggressive. These guys have played a lot. They know what they're doing.